Hi, my name is Alexey, and this is a YouTube channel about Cinema 4D and this type of related stuff. I want to share some information about myself, about my experience and what I have been doing for years, why this channel has been created. First of all, English is not my native language, so I try to record some tutorials and you might find a lot of incorrection, grammar mistakes, but I try to improve it. Because one guy told me that my English, maybe with mistakes, is more understandable than my perfect native Russian. Let me tell you more about what I'm doing, because my main experience and learning and study and all that stuff is more related to Russian-speaking audience. But I try my best to expand the audience and to share some of the techniques in English. That's why I made a Patreon and uploading there some project files, the last tutorial and a lot of things. And I started this a few years ago as author on Skillshare, and at that time they provided a huge opportunity by accepting my tutorials despite their level of English. And then they delete almost 80% of my classes because they didn't meet the requirements. I really surprised that some of the classes meet the requirements, because you need to have a lot of students, a lot of likes, minutes of watch, but we all know that there is a technical sphere and non-technical sphere. And of course, with these special techniques, we can't beat the topics like get things done, be more productive, but they kept some of my classes. All of them are available at Patreon, so there are collections, project files, 76 hosts. I think you can divide it by 2 and get them. But it's not kind of commercial integration, it's about just to showing what I have been doing. And my main activity to help students to improve their renders. Here you can see like before and after some students' work, some homeworks. So I was tweaking some of the lights. Usually I don't interfere into materials because these were related to lighting studying. Also I host, one more cookies here, a series of training about improving the light. So the guy came with the first image and then we tried to improve it in a short time, maybe 2 days, 3 days, or maybe a week if guy has a lot of workload and don't have a lot of time. So usually we have struggles with lighting and then we can improve it and make it look more professional. It's the first one, improving composition. Sometimes we work on materials and etc. etc. So I provide a lot of feedback. It's from group training, screenshots, and once again, so a lot of things. Of course, we're all limited with the time and the skills we have, so don't judge too serious, because some of the people were just in the beginning of their journey in motion design. That's why we can't ask them to create high quality production in 2 days and 3 days. But they try their best to focus on composition aspects, materials. Some of the guys were really skilled, so they need just a small touch of composition, maybe relighting, to improve the final result. For example, like this, it was already good, we'll change the environment, and etc. etc. More examples, more, and you can find, I guess, on Behance. More images, a lot of images, because this training will held for the last 2 years, I guess, or 3 years. And people provide and create really great atmosphere videos, great improvement in their work, great progress. And one of the last training was related to creating a single commercial just a personal project with storyboarding, reference boards, creating the concept, and then bringing that to animation in different aspects. So beauty, cell phones, some interior shots with, again, storyboarding and all that stuff. So if I would be having a better English, I think I will bring all this knowledge directly to English audience. And on my side, that's kind of integration. I have a lot of projects that already recorded in English, and you could try them. Oh, it's kind of integration, but it's not the case. So just want to share my experience, and I hope then I will be doing more content for you. It's not maybe so frequently post, but every time I find an interesting technique or interesting aspect of the work and I can share with you, I will be recording a new video. So thank you for your time and have a nice day.